Man, shit done got serious.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kachu, back in the cut with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notifications so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And today I'm here to show you guys how I installed this lace 4x4 closure wig that I got from off Amazon. But I'm not gonna go hold you guys for. Let's get straight into this video. Alright, so what you basically want to do is go ahead and use your gossip glue or your edge control, it really don't matter, and just slick your edges back so that way when you put your closure on or your frontal, your real hair won't come out. And then you go ahead and you take your gossip glue spray and you go ahead and spray it around your edges so that way it can hold in place for when you're ready to put your stocking cap on. Now that I got my cap on, I'm not going to cut it just for this particular video. You can cut it. Some people cut theirs, but for this video, I'm not going to cut it today because I have my brown lace tint spray and I use that for my closure. So you'll see me, spraying it on my closure. So that's why I didn't cut the cap. Alright, so what you want to do now is go ahead and put the wig on, push the wig back a little bit, and then use your gossip glue. But in this video, I had used my gold spun glue, and I go ahead and put the gold spun glue where the lining of the closure is going to be, only in the area of where I'm going to be placing my closure. And I did that about like 3 times. Now I'm blow drying the gossip glue so that way I can have this nice melted look when I lay down the closure. Alright you guys, so this is how you get that melted look. What you want to do is go ahead and comb that up. Like, see how I'm like combing my hair so it won't be stick down and just like stuck and stiff. So yeah, I comb that up. And then what you want to do is take your gossip glue spray and you go ahead and you spray it right on right there, your edges part at, you go ahead and you spray it. And then you're going to tie your hair up. Alright, so I untied my hair and I went ahead and combed the hair through so it won't have like a stiff look. So now what I'm ready to do is basically cut off the excess lace that I don't need so I can start doing my baby hairs. But I didn't show that part because I needed to see. So what you do now is take your gossip glue and you glue down the little parts of the closure that's sticking out. Last but not least, you go ahead and you do your baby hairs. My baby hairs in this video is not the best. It's my first time actually doing my own install wig for the first time. So yeah. But after you lay down your baby hairs and you tie your edges up, you go ahead and you comb your baby hairs out because you don't want to be stiff. And so you go ahead and you comb the baby hairs up.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so as you can see, my hot comb broke, so I couldn't even use my hot combs to lay down my hair. So I just decided to use some mousse, and I went ahead and, you know, flattened the top of my hair with the mousse. So now what I'm doing, I'm using my concealer so that way I can blend the middle part to make. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Because if you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? And let me know in the comments down below what else you guys want to see next, and I'll get on that for you guys. But until further ado, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Okay, bye.